So I'm plugged into 50 amp. This is the toy hauler. Getting about 60, 61 degrees coming out of the air conditioning vent. And it's set at 55 on automatic, which isn't too bad for coming out of there when it's 95 degrees. So somewhere between 96 and 98 in here, probably about 97. So coming out of the middle vent where it's not even on, I'm getting overflow, push out at 90.5. And see, this air conditioning unit is not on at all. And then we have the bedroom set at 55, cold. It's coming out of there at 90 degrees. Unbelievable. So, we'll shut this guy down. Turn this one on. They tell me to put it on automatic. And on cold. We'll bump this down to 55. So this is the air conditioning unit coming on right outside the door. And now we'll see what kind of air we start pumping out. Right now this is 88. Imagine that's going to rise in a moment. But back here in the back, we're still running about 60. So this one's pumping out cold air, which is the rear air conditioning unit. Set at 55, automatic. And this one's pumping out 92 degrees. Out of the middle unit on 50 amps. I thought it would start cooling off by now. Let's give it one more chance. Okay, we're rising 92.6, 93. Not good. Shutting this guy off. Not getting any colder. And that one shut down. So right now the only one that is on is back here in the toy hauler. And that one's pumping out cold air. Okay, let's go back into the bedroom. Automatic. Actually, we'll set it on high. 55 degrees cold. That unit just kicked on. Give it a minute or so to pump out some cold air. So this is the kind of problem that I'm having all the time. One will work sometimes, which is in the bedroom. The kitchen one doesn't work at all. The toy hauler works sometimes. This one works the most. And right now we're pumping out almost 90 degree air. Yeah, it's straight hot air. This sucks. On vacation, sitting here sweating my balls off. It's going up. 91.4, 91.7 for a second. Yeah, it's getting hotter. See if it makes a difference on automatic. Man, that's hot. If you don't know how hot it is, you can see the sweat on my face. Sweat. Now it's 92. Now it's getting hotter on automatic. It sucks. So right now, I have a 43-foot toy hauler. All I have is one air conditioner that pumps out cold air at a time. So now I will shut this guy down and completely off. Wait for it to power down. It's like the circuit board's not handling all three of these air conditioners. But only one will work at a time. That is shut down. So I just kicked on in the bedroom. It's already blowing colder than it was prior, and it's dropping. It's like only one air conditioner can run at a time. And the power board or circuit board is not accepting three. Or even two. You can only run one at a time, which is not acceptable in a 43-foot toy hauler, which is gray and black in color. It's getting cooler. I think that might be the problem. There it goes, it's getting colder. Son of a bitch. Now let's see if I shut this one off. Okay. Now I turn this one on. Automatic. Cold 55. Still 97 in here. This guy just kicked on. Sounds like the condenser just kicked on. So we should start having cold air coming out of here. 84, should start dropping. 83. Well, not dropping that much. Alright, let's climb again temperature. What the heck? So this one is not working at all, no matter what. And then either the toy hauler or the bedroom works by itself. Alright, I'm done. 10 minutes of video. I can't figure this damn thing out. This is the problem I'm running into.